Hello everyone, and welcome to another unboxing video here at the library. Let's start off. We have the DVD of The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks. We have Harry Potter Baking Book. Got Genocidal Love, about residential schools. Swift Fox All Along picture book. So Many Windings. Weird Kid. We have the Peterson Field Guide to Mushrooms. Coming Out Stories. A History of What Comes Next. Gordon Corman's Linked. Oh, Lisa Kleypas has another one out. Devil in Disguise, her Devil series. Hour of the Witch. Le Pension Caron. Oh, we have the Little Sisters graphic novel, latest one. The Woman's March. And our last one, Heather Graham, The Forbidden. As always, let us know if you like anything that you see and give us a call and we'll put on reserve for you.